Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today I am draw a bubbles letter of love and with teddy bear. I am drawing bubbles letter of love. This is bubbles letter and now draw a teddy bear. See kids how I am drawing a teddy bear with bubbles letter of love. Teddy bear pick bubbles letter of love. Now drawing a cute teddy bear. See kids how I am drawing a cute teddy bear. Wow, I am drawing a cute sketch of bubbles letter love with teddy bear. Wow, I am finishing my sketch now. Coloring in this sketch. I am doing peach color in for some parts of teddy bear. Next, I am doing blue color in eyes of teddy bear and peach color in mouth of teddy bear. Now, I am doing dark brown color in teddy bear's body and ears. I am continuously coloring dark brown color in teddy bear face. This is dark brown color. Now coloring with me kids step by step. Very easy to doing coloring in a sketch of a teddy bear. T for teddy bear. T for teddy bear. See how I am doing coloring. I am continuously coloring in a face of teddy bear. T for teddy bear. Now, I am doing dark brown color in other body parts of teddy bear. T for teddy bear. It's very easy to coloring in a teddy bear. T for teddy bear. Now I am finishing dark brown color in legs of teddy bear. This is a bubbles letter of teddy bear. Now red color in bubbles letter of love. This is a bubbles letter, cute, beautiful bubbles letter of alphabet love. L for love. Cute little alphabet of love. Now I am finishing coloring in bubbles letter. Oh, I am doing some dark brown color in part of teddy bear.